Hello and welcome. In the last video, we walked through the process of adding a teacher. And in the last video, we added teachers individually. Now, I'm going to show you how to add teachers in bulk so that you don't have to manually, and imagine you have 20 teachers. Now you have to manually enter in their details individually. That's going to be very stressful. So there is a way for you to upload the details of the 20 teachers at once. All you have to do is to follow this guide. Now, when you log into your dashboard, since you're a new user, you have this data entry guide here. So you can just click on teachers, add teacher, and then you have this interface here. But let's say for some reason you didn't find yourself here, maybe you found yourself somewhere else. All you have to do is to click on people here, click on staff / employees, click on teacher, and you have the same interface here. Okay, so the next thing you have to do is click on bulk imports. When you click on bulk imports, you have an Excel template, a spreadsheet, and in that spreadsheet you have the columns that shows you the exact kind of data that you need to supply. Okay, so we're going to download the Excel template and I'll show you exactly what it looks like. Good. This is what the Excel template looks like. You have your staff full name, the email address, the phone, the gender, the staff number, the role and designation, qualifications, nationality, and all of that. Okay, so you need to ensure that the data you are supplying, the details of your teacher, they actually match these headings here. Okay, these columns, and I'm going to show you an example of that. Here you can see I've already pre-filled this, about 20 teachers. You can see exactly what it looks like here. Okay, so this is how the data you are going to upload, this is how it's going to look like. Please ensure it looks exactly like this. Okay, so we're back here. All we have to do is we have to upload the file. So we select the file here, go to wherever you saved it on your computer, and I just selected it. So now you have to set a default password for all accounts to be created. Okay, so maybe you want to go with a very simple password, and that password will be the same for every teacher. Now every teacher can eventually go and change their passwords. Okay, but I will recommend that you set a very simple default password which everyone will have, and then they go and change their passwords individually after the teacher accounts have been created. So in this case, we're going to set something very simple and then click on import staff list. Okay, so that's that. Can you see? It's done. Now we have 22 staff. These are the details of all our teachers. You can click on a teacher and see their details. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this video. See you on the next one.